Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install AI for coding without paying any money. Yes, you can use powerful AI tool for free and I will guide you step by step. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Before we start, let's talk about why AI is so useful for coding. AI can help you write code faster, fix errors, suggest better solutions, save a lot of time. And the best part is you don't need any subscription. To follow this tutorial, you only need a computer or laptop, internet connection, a code editor like VS Code. That's it, nothing complicated. Now let's install the free AI tool step by step. Open your browser and go to the official website of the AI coding tool. Download the extension or software. Open your code editor and install the extension. And done. Now AI is ready to help you write code, create a new file, and write a simple comment like create a login form in PHP. The AI is automatically suggest code. This saves a lot of time and effort. Here are some quick tips. Always check the AI code before using it. Try different prompt for better result. Practice daily to improve your coding speed. Remember, AI is helper, not a replacement for learning. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to install AI for coding without any subscription. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.